Yeah, so Northwest Recycling is myself and my partner Jody Swiffer's business. So we started from scratch and we own it and we manage it and run it. Yeah, I guess there's a few things that set us, apart from the other depots that are out in WA and Australia. We use a lot of automation to do with either container counting or the automation through the payment method as well to speed up the process. So you leave here with a good feel news story that went there with some containers and left with some money. So yeah, it works well. Yeah, I guess the major challenges we had was we were awarded the licence to recycle for Containers for Change in 2019, just as COVID was kicking off. So that threw a real big spanner in the works, literally by a matter of weeks. And then obviously going through trying to borrow money for assets and land and all of our commercial stuff was a real hassle at the start. None of the banks recognised it, none of the lenders recognised it. Obviously that's when we got in touch with Jordan, and then we're obviously able to find a lender to get us past. So yeah, it was really good. And then from then on, it was all about optimising costs and sort of streaming and fast tracking stuff to obviously be able to pay back debt as quick as we could. Yeah, and Jordan helped with that, with optimisation and cost savings and what we needed and what we didn't need, and just to smooth out running a business, coming from a hourly rate job through to a business that we owned and managed ourselves. Yeah, so we had the initial lending through Mountway Finance, and that was jigged in a really unique way for us personally to be able to offset some debt and some loans and amalgamate some things and some asset finance and buyback and a few different ways that normal lenders probably don't go down the path of. Jordan kept in touch with us just to be able to, there was new methods or new ideas of, we probably should look at this or change this or do that. So we've changed 3 or 4 times over the 3 to 4 years now. Yeah, I'd definitely recommend Mountway Finance. Jordan was great to deal with, and the ladies in the office as well. What I liked about it was, most of the meetings that we've had was on site, so Jordan could actually see what we're up to, where we're at, that personalised, call after hours, before hours. Need this done in a hurry, Jordan, can you flick me this? And obviously we'll keep in touch in the future just to keep everything streamlined.